Molweni bafundi, video 25, and we continue with counting. In the previous video we counted, remember, abafundi, or any word beginning with aba. And we asked the question, bangapi, how many are there? And we said, babini, there are 2, batatu, there are 3, bane, there are 4, etc. Or ubona abangapi, how many do you see? Ndibona ababini, I can see 2, abatatu 3, abane 4. Now we are going to count trees. One tree being umti and imiti being trees. So we have a different prefix, front part of the noun in this case. So the question also now differs. Mingapi, because we are counting imiti. Ubona imiti emingapi, and how many do you see? Question mark. So umti, mnye, umti. There is only one, mnye. In this picture, mnye babini. In this picture, mnye babini batatu. In this picture, mnye mibini mitatu mine. Okay, so mnye umti and ndibona umti omnye. Mibini imiti, ndibona imiti emibini. Mitatu imiti, mine imiti, ndibona imiti emitatu, ndibona imiti emine. Right, now let's count the imiti, the trees in these two pictures. Mnye, mibini, mitatu, mine, mihlanu. In this picture, mnye, mibini, mitatu, mine, mihlanu. And so there's another one hidden away, mitandatu. So again, counting the stems, mnye, mibini, mitatu, mine, mihlanu, mitandatu. So in this picture, ndibona imiti emihlanu. I can see 5 trees. In the second picture, ndibona imiti emitandatu. I can see 6. In the next sequence of pictures, here we've got to be very careful. Remember, we are counting imiti, and that imi is what calls all the shots. But this time, things change ever so slightly. Whereas before we said mibini mitatu, let's count now. Mnye, mibini, mitatu, mine, mihlanu, mitandatu, isixhenxe. Imiti isixhenxe. In this picture, mnye, mibini, mitatu, mine, mihlanu, mitandatu, isixhenxe, isibhozo. And in the first picture, ndibona imiti esixhenxe. I can see 7 trees, and here ndibona imiti esibhozo. I can see 8 trees. In the final sequence, let's count the trees in this picture. Mnye, mibini, mitatu, mine, mihlanu, mitandatu, isixhenxe, isibhozo, lithoba imithi. And there in the distance we can count again. Hopefully we'll get it right. Mnye, mibini, mitatu, mine, mihlanu, mithandathu, isixhenxe, isibhozo, ilithoba, ilishumi, imithi. And in this picture I can say ndibona imithi lithoba, and in this picture I can say ndibona imithi lishumi. And the same rule will apply again. Provided the word begins with imi, you will count them in the same way. So words like iminwe, fingers, imilenze, legs, imisebenzi, assignments or chores, imibuzo, questions, and so on and so forth. Let's see if we can try another group. And here we are going to count stones. Ilike being one stone, amaike being stones. So the ili will play a part in the singular, and of course the ama will play a part in the plural. Questions then. Mangapi, how many are there? And ubona amangapi, how many do you see? So in the first picture we see one ilike, therefore we say linye ilike, and ndibona ilike elinye. I can see one stone only. But if we count in this particular second picture, linye mabini. Mabini amaike, two stones. Ndibona amaike amabini. In the next sequence, let's count. Linye mabini matatu. And here, linye mabini matatu mane. And we are counting amaike. So here I can say ndibona amaike amatatu. I can see three stones. Ndibona amaike amane. I can see four stones. In the next sequence, let's count. We are counting amaike. The first one, because it's an ilike, linye mabini matatu mane mahlanu amaike. This time not so difficult, not so easy to count this lot. Let's see, starting at the back. Linye mabini matatu mane mahlanu matandatu amaike. So I can say in this first picture, ndibona amaike amahlanu, and in the next picture, ndibona amaike amatandatu. I can see. In the next sequence, we again have a change coming about from 7 onwards, in the same way as we had with the trees, the imiti. So here, let's count again. Linye mabini matatu mane mahlanu matandatu asixhenxe amaike. In the next sequence, let's hope we get it right, starting at the top. Linye mabini matatu mane mahlanu matandatu asixhenxe, and there in the corner asibhozo amaike. So there are only 8 stones here, and in this picture I can say ndibona amaike asixhenxe. I can see 7 stones, and here I can say ndibona amaike sibhozo, I can see 8 stones. Still counting amatye, and this picture is a little clearer. So we are now going to count again. Linye, mabini, matatu, mane, mahlanu, matandatu, asixhenxe, asibhozo, lithoba, amatye. 9 stones. And here we are going to count again. Linye, mabini, matatu, mane, mahlanu, matandatu, asixhenxe, asibhozo, lithoba, and very small on the top, lishumi, amatye. So if I look at this picture, I can say, ndibona amatye alithoba. I can see 9 stones. And here I can say, ndibona amatye lishumi. I can see 10 stones. So we are counting amatye, and the same would apply to any word beginning with ama, such as amakhaya, homes, amagama, words or names, amaqanda, eggs, amacephe, spoons, amazinyo, teeth, provided the word begins with ama. Good. So we will summarize what we have done so far in the next video before we continue. Enkosi kakhulu.